guys, today I have my Allure, and this is May's Allure. Now this one looks like when you get it, and they always give you this, and it's just kind of tells you, gives you information on what you get and how much you get and all that. So then of course their advertisement, and it gives you, sometimes it gives you $10 on the store too, but I don't see it. So it says sign into your account, customize for your favorite products, and there is a customizable one again now, and it's available to customize. But I just saw that the other day and thought I'd let you know. Okay, this was our customizable thing this time. Now you don't always get a customizable thing, but this time we did, and we have quite often lately. And this is the Anastasia. Oh, Andy, come on. Gotta get my trusty scissors. And this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Promenade. And I got dark brown. Yeah, that would be right. I don't know if I showed you the box, but that's the box. And then this is what it looks like. It's got this. And then, as you can see, it's pretty clear. Not a whole lot in there, but, you know, for your brows, you really don't need a whole lot. And there she is. Now, I'm just going to stick my finger in, because this is going to be for me. And you can see how it looks. You don't want it black, but you don't want it. And then, what's the value of this? Let me see. Let's see. I can't get the lid on. I get in such a hurry. I have such a hard time screwing things back together. Because I get in a hurry and I don't have any patience, and usually I get mad through things. Not really, but yeah, I do. Okay, and that was $25 for just that. And, okay, I forgot to tell you, I have all the links back down below. And also, this is, if you're not familiar with Allure, it is $29.99 unless you were already grandfathered in when they changed the price, and that's $24.99. So if you're grandfathered in, that one thing pays for your box. So if you'll use it, it paid for your box. Then we have Anastasia's brow brush and spoolie. So let's open her up, shall we? And here's your spoolie end, and here's your brush end. So well, let's just try this crap. Let's take these glasses off. Of course, I won't have a mirror, so I'm going to use you. So you're going to have to ignore it when my tongue comes out, because that just happens naturally, because I can't do anything without it. My mom used to laugh at me all the time. Can you do anything without your tongue? No, mother, I can't. See me? Just kind of draw them on. Oops, kind of miss my Hawaii. Yeah, you know, because I'm not in a mirror. Yeah, I need the spoolie. See, and then you just brush it out. We'll try the other one, because I will forget about it. And I will go in the neighborhood. I'll have to go check that before I actually leave my house, because I'm messy. And I've been known to do stuff like that. But anyway, put the old glasses back on so I can see, because right now everything's blurry. Okay, and that is $22. So right there is $47 for this one box. Okay, then Refy face setter, and it's $25 for 1.6 ounce. This is why you'll love it. If you prefer a dewy look, the superfine setting spray makes the perfect routine closer. It's made with glycerin and polyglycolic acid to lock in moisture and your makeup. I'll be the judge. And how much is this? Is $28 for 1.69 ounces. How many we got? This is full size. This is $28 for this little itty bitty thing. Itty bitty thing. Okay, now some finishing sprays are okay. Some of them got a real bad mist on them. So, you want me to spray it? Put my glasses on. Do I look dewy? I don't think I look dewy. I think somebody lied to me. Yeah, I think somebody lied to me. But anyway, put that on after your makeup, and it's supposed to make your makeup last longer. You know. Then, I'm sure this is what everybody is looking forward to. This is Sol de Janeiro 87. And it's a smell of creamy coconut milk, warm sand, and cozy vanilla. It's supposed to transport you to the beach. But, it's been my experience, I don't like these things. This one's alright. This is alright, but it's alright. It's alright. But I mean, if you like those smells, you're golden. But if you don't like them, okay, and this is $39 for 240 milliliter, and we got to be determined. Oh, 30 milliliter. And I'll do the math for you and stuff down and tell you how much the box is. I'll put it on the screen at the end. So, I'm going to tell you the values. I usually put them on the screen too, I think. So, anyway, there is that. Then we have... Oh, let's see, there's two more things. I was like, wait a minute, I'm getting ripped off. Okay, then we have Believe Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. Okay, it's this one. And it's $32 for a 0.58 ounce. So my guess is this is full size also. Because it doesn't have any other thing. So usually it tells you what you got in the box if it's not full size. So this is full size also. So this is our fourth full size item. That's a different look. I don't know how you do it. I didn't really... Oh, it's one of them clicker ones. Come on. These things you usually gotta click forever. Oh, no, it's not. It's a pump one. I'm just clicking for no damn reason. It's a pump. I don't know. Maybe you gotta have it this way. Ooh, that's the way you do it. Let's see what it feels like. It's nice. Cool. It's cool. Okay. So we have that. That's something to put by your bed too. Do it at night and in the morning. So that one is $32. So that's your value too. You know, by itself. So then the last thing we have is Endota Hydrologic Lip Treatment. It's the #1 product in every Allure editor's bag. Lip balm. We probably have at least 3 tubes each, including this one, which is pumped with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump up lips, along with cocoa seed butter for a subtly sweet scent. And it was like this. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not really a balm girl. I don't mind them so much, but they just don't stick around that much. They don't have any staying power. You know, I kind of think somebody would be a genius if they would make a balm with a little dab of stain in it. So when they come off, you still got the color. So you're not walking around looking like you didn't even bother. Understand what I'm saying? That would be my advice. You want to kick ass balm? Give them the best of both worlds. Color and balm. Because people don't like to put balm over color, you know, because it kind of wipes it off. So that's my advice. Of course, I'm a nobody. Oh, I forgot to show you the bottle. Oops. I'm a nobody, but I'm not even a beauty expert. But I'm just saying that, to me, that would make, you'd make some money. Because it would be the best red. Ooh. This doesn't even really feel like a balm. It feels like an oil. And I'll show you. See, that's an oil. That is not a balm. Yeah, that's an oil. That's a balmy oil. You know, it's a little thicker, but you saw how thin it is. So, now if they would add some stain, just a few drops of color in there, that would be the best thing around. See? You'd be getting all that and color too. Because people aren't going to put that over their lipstick. They're just not. And that is $37. So that was my Allure Beauty Box. And this week I'll be coming up with return mail. And my FabFitFun is in and on its way. Finally. But anyway, come on back. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube thing.